Hello designers, ready to change the font in Adobe Express? I'll show you how to switch it up in no time. Let's go. First, open Adobe Express and select your project. Click on the text box you want to edit. On the top toolbar, find the font drop-down menu. Choose from the variety of fonts available or search for a specific one. Once you have picked your font, it will automatically update on your design. Pick a font that matches your design's tone, serif for formal, sans serif for modern, or something decorative for creativity. If you can't see your font choice, try refreshing your page or checking if you have got the latest version of Adobe Express. What's your favorite font style to use in designs? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.